Welcome to our channel IL Education. Today we discuss the nanotechnology and its application. What is nano? The word nano is derived from Greek languages with the meaning dwarfs. Therefore, nano refers to something very small. At this magic scale book, not only see the atoms that everything is made from, you actually be able to move them around. How small is nano? A 2 meters tall man is 2 billion nanometers tall. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 1 billion nanometers. A pinhead sized freckle is 1 million nanometers across. Therefore, 1 millimeter equal to 1 million nanometers. Biological cells, such as these red blood cells, are above 10,000 nanometers across. Therefore, 1 micrometer equal to 1000 nanometers. In this diagram, we can show it easily. Sergei Brin, James Fleming, Bernard Frenkel are the persons who win the Nobel Prize and they observed by the nanotechnology. Now we discuss what is the nanotechnology. Nanoscale science investigates the matter at the critical range on 1 to 100 nanometers, making new things on increasingly small scale is called nanotechnology, and it's one of the most exciting and fast-moving areas of science and technology today. Now we discuss the lotus effect. The self-cleansing activity of lotus leaf because of the hydrophobic condition on its surface is known as lotus effect. Let's see how to see the nanoscale. Scientists have developed electron microscopes that allow us to see things on the nanoscale and also manipulate them. They are atomic force microscopes, scanning probe microscope, and scanning tunneling microscopes. They are the microscopes to use see the nanoscale. Let's see what is the nanomaterial. Key to developments related to nanotechnology innovations are based on the availability of nanomaterials. This is the image of human hair under electron microscope. Carbon-based nanomaterials. Out of the many available nanostructures, carbon-based nanostructures are among the most excellent of nanomaterials. They can be rod-shaped, football shapes, or thin sheets. This is the structure of a diamond and graphite. Now we discuss graphene. What is meant by graphene? Graphite has a layered structure and scientists have started to separate a single layer from the structure of several decades. It was one of the significant achievements of science when single layer of graphite was peeled off by two scientists, Andrew James and Constantine from University of Manchester. They received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2011 for this groundbreaking innovation. Carbon nanotube. A carbon nanotube is formed when a single layer of few layers of graphene is rolled into a tube. When a single layer is rolled, it is known as a single wall and carbon nanotube SWCNT. While few layers rolling into a tube leads to formation of multi-wall carbon nanotube MWCNT. Applications of nanotechnology. Field of medicines. We can use nanotechnology by treat red blood cells. The red blood cells are treated by this nanotechnology. We can use it for easy method. Field of transport. When we use the nanotechnology, we can minimize the fuels. The car body panels serve the battery. Then we can minimize the battery power. Now we discuss power generation. In this power generation, we can use as this nanotechnical use solar panel. This is a picture of this solar panel. Electronic science. When we are use electronic science, we can make a flexible phones, water resistant phones, and memory chips are used by the nanotechnology. This is the picture of the Sri Lankan Institute of Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology and its application lesson is end. If you like our videos, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Goodbye. See you again. This is an IL education towards the infinity of education.